In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-currency on Xero, guiding you through a complete 2025 process. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to manage transactions in multiple currencies and streamline their accounting processes on Xero. Let's dive in and explore how we can simplify your business transactions across different currencies. First, head to Xero.com and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Xero, it's important to have your credentials handy. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu, then click on General Settings and click on Currencies. This is where you'll manage all your currency preferences. Next, you'll see an option to add currency. Click on it and you'll be prompted to search for the currency you want to add, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Select the currency from the list and click Add. Xero is equipped to update exchange rates automatically on a daily basis using up-to-date Owanda rates, so you don't have to worry about constantly adjusting rates yourself. Now that you've added your currency, it's time to assign these currencies to relevant contacts. To do this, go to Contacts, then either Customers or Suppliers, and select Edit Contact. Here, assign the currency you selected earlier to the particular contact. After you save these changes, invoices or bills associated with this contact will automatically default to their chosen currency, greatly simplifying your financial management tasks. Let's look at creating invoices in multiple currencies. Navigate to Business, then Invoices, and select New Invoice. Choose a customer who uses a different currency, and you'll notice that Xero automatically adjusts the currency setting for the invoice. Enter the line items, due date, and amounts for the invoice, and once everything looks good, go ahead and send the invoice. Xero not only sends the invoice in the chosen currency, but also tracks the amount in your base currency for reporting purposes. For paying bills in foreign currencies, the steps are quite similar. Go to Business, then Bills to Pay, and click on New Bill. Make sure to select a supplier who deals in a foreign currency. Enter the necessary amounts and due dates. Xero takes care of the heavy lifting by handling currency conversions, ensuring that your reports and accounts reflect accurate values regardless of currency fluctuations. Finally, tracking gains and losses in foreign exchange is an integral part of managing multi-currency transactions. Xero records these exchanges automatically. To view the adjustments, head to Reports and select Currency Gains and Losses. This feature is incredibly useful in keeping your accounting precise when dealing with fluctuating currency values. By following these steps, your business can efficiently handle multi-currency transactions on Xero, making international trade a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring more ways to optimize your accounting on Xero.